Coming up today on Let's Talk Live, we are getting a little taste of the nation's biggest barbecue battle in the district. We got a preview for you.
Somebody give me a plate.
So I already went into the mac and cheese. She went into the chocolate pie that she had to turn around so it would look okay on TV. This week in Pennsylvania Avenue will be turned into Barbecue Avenue as the giant National Capital Barbecue Battle takes over the street. And we have an expert grillologist with us, and the guy that knows everything about grilling.
Yeah, and the star of the Discovery Network's Barbecue Pitmasters, Myron Mixon, is here to show us how to make some finger-licking good food. And Jamie Miller is joining us right now from Giant to tell us all about this event. So thank you. I've had the pleasure of coming out and seeing the truck and smelling the food and everything that's going on. Yeah. But for those that have been living under a rock that may be new to D.C., what can they expect?
So this is a huge event. We're expecting over 100,000 people over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. It's all about barbecue. It's all about family. It's all about food in general. So we'll have Myron Mixon and several other teams out there competing. I mean, they're very competitive for the best barbecue.
Right.
We've got activities for kids, families. We have the Taste of Giant tent there. We're going to have Nathan's hot dog eating contest. We'll have Joey Chestnut there. He set a world record last year, ate over 73 hot dogs. So just a lot of activity.
And then he comes back for more barbecue, I hear.
Myron, you just opened up in January in Old Town Alexandria, but the winningest man in barbecue, how many competitions have you been in?
I've been in, we won over 200 grand championships total and won like 1,900 trophies. And I've won actually the barbecue battle itself. I won it 12 times.
Wow. Now, I know you can't give away your secrets, but can you give away a little some tips for people that are watching at home?
That's what we're doing right now. Right in front of me, I've got a pork butt.
You got a what?
Pork butt. If you'll hold my injector for me there, please.
Well,
I wouldn't do that. With that. You gave that to the wrong person.
I was going to say, not the first time I've been told to hold that.
Okay.
But we got a pork butt here, or Boston butt sometimes called. And first thing you want to do, if you see anything like bone slivers or the fat, you want to make sure you cut that off. See that bone right there?
Yeah.
You want to make sure you remove all that off.
Okay.
And on the bottom right here, we want to get about 1/4 inch of this fat off.
So that's too much. You want some fat, but not that much.
But you don't want a lot of it on there. You want about 1/4 inch.
And then do you put the rest of it in with the greens? Because you got to fix the collards.
Well, the thing is, when we put our greens in there, we take some of the cooked fat and put it in there with it where it just soaks it all up.
Okay, yummy.
We call it hog skin greens.
Hog skin
So now what are you injecting this thing with?
Now we got a little bit of apple juice. We got some vinegar. Got some special seasonings in there.
Oh, goodness.
And then you blow it up. And a little bit of
Now, how do you know? Oh, my gosh. So how do you know how much to do?
What's this process doing?
This right here is doing a couple of things. One thing, you're adding flavors to me that traditionally go with it, apple juice and white vinegar.
Okay.
But it's also putting moisture inside of it also.
So it doesn't dry out on the grill.
That's right. So you're doing moisture and you're doing flavor at the same time. All right, now we got our injection in.
Can you put too much in?
Yeah.
Not really. I mean, you keep blowing it up until it starts running out. Once it starts running out, you're done.
Okay.
All right, the next thing we do, we're going to take a little vegetable oil. And what this does for us, we're going to rub it all over. It's going to help our seasoning adhere to the meat. So we're going to take it. We got our vegetable oil on. Then we're going to start.
Now, do you do one side or both sides of the vegetable oil?
You're going to do them all.
Oh, okay.
You're going to do them all.
I'm eating the mac and cheese.
You love that mac and cheese?
So good.
I know.
Now, the thing is, I told y'all I had won 12 times here in D.C. I've been coming a long time. And my partners, Joe and Bill, we decided we were going to put a barbecue restaurant here.
Yeah.
Because of that. I mean, I've got a good following here. I appreciate all the fans watching all my shows.
Right.
So we opened up Myron Mixon Pitmaster Barbecue over in Old Town.
How's that been going?
It's been going awesome. Awesome. We appreciate everybody that's been out. We're looking forward to everybody that hadn't been there to come on out. Because this is what you get right here.
Right. Do you sell that at the store?
Yes,
at the restaurant?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
That
We
looks
call
good.
that the comeback dust. See, if I took some of it and sprinkled it on you, it makes you come on back.
All you need is chocolate pie for her.
I just need to check
that right there.
And the mac and cheese. Let's talk about this mac and cheese because it's like, what is it called?
The mac and cheese is our great mac and cheese recipe, but we add baby back wood meat inside.
Really? I'm just going to try this.
So good.
And right here next to that, we got our peach barbecue beans. It's got peaches in it. I'm from Georgia, so you got the peaches going on.
Oh, my gosh.
You got homemade banana pudding. You have our chocolate cake right here, pie.
Chocolate pie.
Then we got my mama's coleslaw. loaded baked potato salad. Then you got our barbecue deviled eggs. You got to try
Can I
those.
do this?
Got barbecue meat in it, and then you got our baby back ribs.
Look, I'm just going to try this. I don't care. I'm double
Jamie,
dipping.
where can people go for more information on everything going on?
Yep, so folks can go to bbqndc.com. There's information about the barbecue battle. Again, it's this Saturday and Sunday. We're going to be on Pennsylvania Avenue between 3rd and 7th Street, right by the museum. So weather's looking good over the weekend.
Absolutely.
It's a great event. Hope
Who
everyone
cares?
comes
Have
out.
you not tasted this? This is what you want to come out. I don't care if there's a storm.
I'm going to try everything.
It's awesome.
Wow. I'm just going to take this and get the pie.
So there goes your
There goes your mac and cheese.
I knew she was going to take it away.
I'm just going to take this and leave. Thank you.
And we're going to try some of the ribs.
Can we do that?
Yes, you can.
Excellent.
Well, yummy. All right. Let's keep on passing that down.
There you go.
Do you want some more mac and cheese, kid?
Look at that. I've got mac and cheese right here.
Try this here.
Want
me to help you out?
Gloves right here, and I'll help you tear into them.
This is good eatings.
I want to also mention something else.
Yes, sir.
Our restaurant, My Remix and Pitmaster Barbecue, is a big supporter of the USO.
Yes.
I myself personally have taken 2 tours with the USO. I went to South Korea and also Kuwait. And we're doing some fundraising events at our restaurant. Look at that.
There you go.
Did you ever get a rack that doesn't come out right?
There you
Never
go.
have done that. You don't win 4 world championships turning out bad barbecue.
You better learn.
Delicious.
So, how did you know you had a winner? Like, what was it? About, like, do you know that you're going to have a winner? Or just,
I mean, the thing about it is, you know when you're on point. I mean, you can tell.
Right.
I mean, if you've cooked enough meat, enough barbecue, you know when your meat's there to win the championship. You know you're in the running for it.
Right.
But the thing is, too, the competition is getting stronger and stronger. I teach barbecue classes. I've been doing this since 2005. And with all the new technology and smokers and grills and cookbooks, I've written 3 cookbooks, which everybody else has too. There's a lot of information out there for these cooks to learn and get better. So it makes it tougher and tougher.
What's the number one mistake people make when they're doing the barbecue?
Either overcooking or undercooking it.
Do you like charcoal or do you like wood grilled?
Wood fired.
Wood fired.
Stick wood. That's all we use at our restaurant is stick wood.
Why is that better than charcoal?
Well, I mean, charcoal's fine. I mean, you got some wood infused charcoals and stuff. But if you want to get the real deal, you got to have that stick wood.
Got it.
Myron, Jamie, thanks for coming in. They're giving us a wrap. But
Jamie's good. He's just eating, man. He's
just
good.
The crew wants to come out and eat some of this food. So they're like, we got to go to commercial break, and we'll be right back.
Y'all not getting
What?
Oh, what? Good. I think that's why